Dr. Cris here with the Ask Dr Cris Show. Today's question comes from Claire. She would like to know, how do I avoid the embarrassment that I feel towards going to a doctor, and how do I avoid that barrier? It's such a good question, and I do hear it in the consulting room. People do feel embarrassed or ashamed or nervous about coming to see their doctor. I guess keep in mind we're human too, and no one's perfect. We're trained to deal with your health, and often most of us, if not all of us, I hope I can speak for all of us, we're altruistic. We're wanting to help you. We're wanting to help your health. We don't go into medicine for any other reason than wanting to help people. So keep that in mind when you come to see us. Also keep in mind that we've seen your condition 1,000 times. You're not unique, although of course you are as a person, but your condition is not unique. It's not something that we're going to look at and judge you for. It's something which I'm sure we've seen many times before, and so we can help you from a position of experience and non-judgment as well. Also, thirdly, keep in mind that the walls are confidential. Everything that's said in a consulting room is never shared. We're bound by confidentiality codes, and all of your information is kept private and confidential. So it's a safe place to come and download. I have a lot of patients that I have a very personal practitioner-patient relationship with, and many of them have become, great people that I love to see, and I'm very happy to help them with any of their health complaints. So do find a GP that you feel comfortable with, a female GP if that's your preference, or a male GP if that's your preference, and stick with them, build that relationship, and start to develop that rapport so that you can tell them anything and any weird and wonderful symptom that comes up, which is important, obviously, as we get older. So I hope that overcomes a little bit of your fear and your anxiety around that, Claire. Thank you so much for your question. If you've got any further questions, please leave them below. I hope that you're loving the Ask Dr Cris Show. If you would like to see more of the Ask Dr Cris Show, please press subscribe.